Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will be showing you how to automatically enter date and time after data entry in Excel. For example, if I enter a data in this cell, then I would want the date and time of the data that I entered earlier in the next cell. So in order to do that, I will need to go to the file and the options. A new dialog box appears and I'll need to click on the formulas and enable this option, which is enable interactive calculations, and click on OK. So I will go to the cell that I want to enter the date and time. So this is the formula that I need to enter the data. I'll just go ahead and copy this formula and paste it to the cell. So don't worry, I will provide this formula in the description below, so do check it out. So in order to make this work, I will need to format the cell. Just right click on it and click on format cells. Go to number tab and search for this option MDYHMM. Select it and click on OK. So if I type any data here and click on enter, you will see that it has entered the date and time of the data entry that I did just now. So if I need to edit this cell somewhere, then it won't make any changes in this particular cell. If I want this cell to change every time I edit the data, then I would need another formula, which is this. I'll just delete this. And now I will paste the new formula that I copied earlier. Now I have the formula that I need. I'll just go ahead. And like before, I will be providing you this formula in the description below to check it out. And I will just go ahead and copy this formula throughout this column. So as you can see, it has shown me the date and time. Now, if I edit this cell and click on enter, you can see that it has changed the time of the entry that I have done just now. And that's all for this video. Just make sure that you have entered the correct formula for the date and time entry, and make sure you have format the cell that you want the date and time to appear in. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.